Have you ever had a secret so heavy that felt like carrying a backpack full of bricks? I have. And for the longest time, I thought I had to carry it alone. For years, I struggled with self doubt. I was afraid that if I spoke up, I'd be judged, that people would see the cracks instead of the whole picture. But one day, I realized the things we were most afraid to say are often the things people need to hear the most. The more we talk about our struggles, the less power they have over us. What I learned is that our fears lose power when we speak them out loud. Someone out there is facing the same struggle, and your story might be the reason they don't give up. So, if you're holding on to something, if there's a story inside you that, that could help someone, speak it up. You never know whose life you might change.